In this video, I will show you how to create and add roles on your Discord server. Roles are essential for organizing your community and to give different members different permissions. So first, click on the server name you see on the top left and just click on server settings you see on the drop down menu. Now on this page, on left hand menu, just click on roles and then click on create a role. You can go and give your role a name. You can then scroll down and give your role a color and also do different things. Then you can go to permissions and you can then go and give your role a different permissions like free channel, manage channels, and you can see all the different permissions and just turn on. After giving your role the permission, just click on save changes. Now you can give this role to a different members of your server. You can simply click on the member list and just select the members you want to give a role you created. Right click on it, scroll down and click on roles and select the roles you created. If you find this guide useful, consider liking the video and thanks for watching.